Hey everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. Today, I have something special to share with you, and it's a collaboration. This was between myself and 3 other YouTube channels, and before I get into their channels, let me just tell you what we decided to do. So we were each assigned someone to send a box to. We decided to do a spring/Easter theme. We sent each other some likes and some dislikes, and then we had to curate a box for the person we were assigned to. So we have no idea what's in our boxes, and that's what makes it so much fun, right? So I am so excited, but you guys know, if you're my subscribers, I have a hard time not peeking, and I promise you I did not peek. Everything is wrapped. I did cut open the box and I saw everything's wrapped, so I couldn't peek with this one. So anyway, I sent my box to Melissa from Melissa Unboxing Mom, and she has such a great channel. They all do, but let me talk about hers first. Before I do, actually, I will leave a link below with all of their YouTube channels, and you will also get to see their videos in a playlist. I will create one so it's easier for you to watch them. So Melissa, she is just great. She's so informative. She unboxes pretty much every box you can imagine. Every time I think about ordering a new box, I go to her channel, I see if she unboxes it and what she thinks about it, because she's very honest, which I appreciate. Actually, honesty is something that all of us that did this collab have in common. I think that everyone is very honest, and I love that. So Melissa does a lot of unboxings. She does clothing. She's done some Stitch Fix boxes. She's done beauty. She's done lifestyle boxes. She does kids boxes. All of their themed boxes that I had no idea existed. So much fun. She also has 3 cute daughters and a cute dog named Pebble, so go check her out. So I sent my box to her. There was also Cindy and Debbie from Sisters and Stitches, and they are hysterical. You need to go check them out. I laugh with them all the time. So they do unboxings too. They do clothing, they do beauty, they do lifestyle. They try their beauty boxes on sometimes as they go, which is so much fun to watch. They also are doing a new challenge. It's Outfit of the Week, and they pick a theme. I've had so much fun watching them. Cindy is my cheetah girl, so I really like that. And Debbie recently went blonde, and it's making me want to go even lighter, so I love their channel. You gotta go watch them. They actually posted Debbie getting her hair done. They're just so much fun to watch. And then there's Kristy from Georgia Sunshine, and she sent me my box. So she has a really fun, positive channel too. She's like a breath of fresh air. I really like watching her channel. She unboxes everything. She does clothing, she does beauty, she does lifestyle, but she's also been getting out of her comfort zone and doing some cooking videos. And she's been doing what they call, I'm gonna butcher this, so I'm sorry, mukbang, where you eat in your car and you just kind of chat, which I think is so cool. I could never do it, but I give her so much credit for doing it. And she just does so many nice videos that I really enjoy watching. And she was probably one of the first YouTubers that I started to watch, so I really appreciate her channel too. Like I said, I will leave a link below. You need to go check out all of their channels, subscribe to them, go like their videos, go show them some love, and tell them I sent you. If you're not already subscribed, you might be subscribed to some of their channels. But I can't wait any longer to see what Kristy sent me, so let's get into my box. So, all right, here is the inside of my box. Whoops, how cute. All right. Kristy, you did a good job packaging it. You need like your own box. Okay, so she sent me a card. I hope it's okay if I read it. Kayla, I had so much fun binge watching your channel to get to know you better. I packed this box with lots of things that I like and hope you do too. It was so fun shopping for you. I am so grateful to get to collab with you, Kristy. So nice. I love this card too. I didn't show you the front. Polka dots. So much fun. Matches my pink dreamer sweater that I'm wearing today. So fun. All right, I can't wait to see what's in my box. So I don't even know where to start. It's so exciting, right? It's better than like a real box that you get from like a company, I think. So, all right, Skittles. I love Skittles. I don't think I told her that, but it's one of my favorite candies. So I'm excited. I'm gonna have these later when I'm done. And M&Ms. And look how cute with the little bunny ears on top of the M&Ms. I love these holiday themed packages. All right. How cute are these? Oh my goodness. Look at these. These are like, they're like Easter eggs, but they're little bunnies. Oh my goodness. How adorable. Little truffles inside by Lint. Where did you find these? I love them. Oh my gosh. Okay. How did you know? Tonight, I'll be using my last makeup wipe, and she sent me some more makeup wipes. How awesome. I don't have to go to the store and buy more tomorrow. So cool. Thank you. I use makeup wipes every single day before I use my cleanser. So I really appreciate that, and I will be using these. So I am so excited. I've never tried that brand, and I'm so excited to use those because I usually either buy the Clinique ones when I can, or what's the one in the blue packaging? The Neutrogena wipes. So I'm excited to try those. All right, what's this? Let me unwrap something. Oh, I think I lost a tag. Oh, something that smells so good. How cute. All right. This is by Grove Collaborative. I haven't tried Grove yet. Oops. Can't open it. Why can't I open it? Oh, duh, Kayla, it's a twist up. Oh my goodness. This is blood orange. It smells so good. Love it. Oh, I'm so excited already. I love this box so much. Okay, next. Oh, look at another one of these cute bunnies. How adorable. What is this? Did I see you open this on your channel? Okay. Oh, I just dropped half of the bunny. Oh well. Look at how cute this is. So this is like a key ring, and it has a chapstick inside. How cute. I lose my chapsticks all the time, and I think I saw you unbox this or something on your channel, and I love this. So you can kind of put this on your key ring, or probably clip it somewhere. Like if your purse has a clip, you can like clip it on their, oh, I will totally use this, and I love the pattern. Look at the cute pattern with the roses. Thank you, and I can probably put a lipstick in here too. Oh, love this. Okay. This is a zinnia grow kit. How cute is that? To grow your own flowers. Oh my goodness. So I might bring this to work, and then once it grows, I'll bring it home and plant it. I'm trying to look inside to see what it looks like. Oh my gosh. How fun is that? This is, you guys, I know, but I'm just so excited. Okay, so this says, to help you keep track of your goals. I love these little stickers that she wrote. All right, let me unwrap this. Oh my gosh, look at how cute. This reminds me of her channel, Bright Ideas. I love that. So this is like a journal. How cute. I told her that I love pens too. And look at all of the colored pens that she got me. I love those. So I want to bring these to work because I know I'll use them at work, but I also know that the girls at work will steal these. So I probably can't bring these to work. So they'll have to stay at home. They'll probably be safer at home than at work. So I'm so excited to use these. So thank you. Thank you for everything so far. I'm so excited with it. Oh my goodness. Okay. And then this says something for your home, and love the wrapping. Whoops. Oh, I'm dropping everything. Oops. I'm gonna try to be nice and neat when I open this and try to not make that much noise. Oh, look how cute. It says, we believe in the Easter Bunny. How cute. So it's a kitchen towel and then a pot holder. I actually just bought a, what do you call those? Like a spoon rest that's pink and white polka dot. So this will look perfect, and we're hosting Easter, so everything will match. Oh, it's gonna look so nice. Maybe I'll do like a little video of how everything looks. All right, and then this says, oh, I think I just ruined something. This says, I saw you open that cute leopard kimono from Natalie Attired. So when I saw this, I thought of you. Open the inside of the bag to find some of my favorite things. I hope you like them too. Leopard. Oh goodness, if this is leopard. I love, oh my gosh, I love this. Look at this beauty. Cindy, you're gonna love this. Oh my goodness. I might have to see if I can find you one, Cindy, because you're gonna love this. It's a beauty case. Love it. Oh my gosh. So she says to open it. Look at this. Actually, this might be good for traveling, you guys. It's got the compartments, but it's also clear so you can see what's inside. So first, let me just, some masks. So this is a Smart Mud mask, and then a Glam Glow mask. Oh my goodness, you did a lot, Kristy. Thank you. Oh wow, I love the leopard makeup holder. Wow, like, you know me. Right, guys? She knows me. Oh my goodness. And then look at the nail polish. This is Pacifica. This is good for Easter. It's a pink color. I love that. And then, oops, I almost dropped that too. This is by L'Oreal, and it's a mascara. Whoops. I could always, and I think I said this in one of my videos too, I love getting a mascara in my boxes. So she really knows me, right? And then I also, whoops. I don't have one of these, and I've been wanting to try one. You might not believe that I've never tried one of these. Mascara primer. I have not tried one, so I am so excited to try this. Thank you, Kristy. I love that. Oh my goodness, but I can't get over this bag. I mean, I'm still like, I've never seen this bag before, and I just love it. This beauty case. How cute. Oh my gosh. That I have to, I don't know. That's going to be with me like all the time. All right. Ooh, a Lindt Hello. Oh, it's a coffee blast. Ooh, chocolate and coffee. What could be better, right? And then I saw a little, whoops, a little white bunny. Oh, I missed something. Oh my goodness. So I got little jelly beans. I love jelly beans too. And then another little white bunny with some truffles. I love these white bunnies. You're gonna have to tell me where you bought these. And then this says something to wear. Okay. All right, let me just unwrap this. Where'd you get the cute little tape too? Look how beautiful. It's gold, and look at the black. Oh, hang on. Look at the black kind of gemstone. I love that. Oh my goodness, I love that. I love gold chains too. This is so perfect. It almost looks like it's a double chain, and like here, and then the second part of the chain, like the longer part of the chain, has a black kind of gems. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Bubble bar. Love it. Kristy, thank you so much. You went above and beyond, and I love everything so much. Love it. This, oh my goodness. I am so impressed with this. I love this so much. Oh my gosh. I love everything, but my subscribers know how much of a cheetah girl I am, and so I am so happy to have gotten that. So that is just so, everything was so fun, and I love the necklace too. I love the little pot holder and the towel. I love everything I got in the makeup case. I mean, everything. I can't wait to try and grow the flower too, so I'll keep you guys posted on that. So this was so much fun. I hope that you enjoyed this as much as I did. Please, please, please go check out the other channels that I listed. I hope that you enjoy I know you're gonna enjoy their content as much as I do. I know you will, because I enjoy watching them. Thank you again so much for joining me. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I hope that you stick around. I'm really, really happy to have you, and I love chatting with people, so please leave me a comment below and we can talk a little bit. And I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you all really, really soon.